sub 1. Lipat kami
Punta
dyan.
na sa sub 2.
Sige, lipat kami dyan.
Waffles, hinahanap ka ni Michi sa main.
Kami rin dito sa sub 1, di na makalipat. May mga planeta din dito. Guys, regroup middle. Hello guys, regroup to middle please. Random reso. May goodness ang sakit. Wala kami FS. I'm dead. May sura sila makate ah. Guys, random reso guys. This planet, very strong. Regroup to base, please. They are spawn camping. They are spawn camping, guys. Hello. Regroup at base, guys. They are spawn camping. Okay? Sub 1, please regroup. Please regroup to base. If we can't fight, just get the military supplies, please. Thank you. You can't go out. So that we still can have points for the main. Push slowly, guys. Push slowly, guys. Push slowly, guys. Regroup, guys. Regroup, guys. Regroup. Di Hammer Police Magic talong pala. Please, guys. Slowly. use sight and everything that can reveal hidden people. They have a strong GX. Use sight, use sight. Um, Go right, guys. You can go right, push right.
Hindi ka nagkakagulat.
They're here. Ouch. Ano? Kutis Bayag. What a name, bro. Kutis Bayag. Filipino. They're Filipino guild. Kutis Bayag is so strong. Well, we need to spawn, guys. Monsters. We need to secure the buff for our main. 10 seconds until monster will spawn. 10 seconds. Let's go. We will just pray that main will get the OB so that it will be a victory for us. Let's go. Let's go, Sav. Just always regroup and random reso. Since we don't have a lot of FS today, that's what we can do for now. Random reso. If you see leaves on their heads, just click. Kill this Kutis Bayag, please. Damn, nice. Very good to kill Kutis Bayag. Focus on Sif. His FS is Platina. Kill Platina first before Sif. Kill Platina before Sif. Push slowly to middle. Regroup to middle. We can do this, guys. Be careful. There's a good warlock in the middle. His name is Magic Talong. What the hell? Magic Talong and Kutis Bayag. They're very... Let's go. Let's pray for our main to get OB now. Let's wish. If they get OB, we win. Hope they secure OB. Nice! Nice, we got this, guys. We got OB. Let's go. Just don't choke. Oh my goodness. What happened? 400 DB set is gone. Oh my god. Random reso, please. Random reso. Thank you. Since we don't have... Nice. Click the leaves. Click the leaves. Yeah, don't overextend, guys. Don't overextend. Don't go inside their spawn. We are winning already. It's just that main needs to win. Yeah, we're being spawn camped right now. But Sawaragi can clear this. Let's go. 100 deficit for our main. I hope they can maintain that lead. 150. 150. Nice. It's already 180. 200. 200 deficit, guys. Let's kill them here in south. Kill that magic talong. Nice. Nice, Sawaragi. You're very strong. Always use your sights, guys. There's a strong GX here. Okay, I hope they won't give any tablet so that they can contain the deaths. Nice. Let's go sub. Let's go sub. Nice. Let's go. Have fun, guys. We already secured this. Go kill them. Just kill them all. No more commands. Just focus on Sif and Magic Talong. That Magic Talong is very strong. Ay, 200 deficit. Nice. Nice one. GG's. GG's, guys. GG's. Nice one, guys. You guys are very strong. Even though we don't have enough FS, we survived that.